Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Start by washing your hands and nails with warm water and soap. Dry them completely using a clean towel to avoid moisture under the serum. Use a nail file to smooth edges and a soft tool to push back cuticles gently. Avoid cutting cuticles to prevent infection and preserve nail health. When your nails are clean and shaped, prepare the serum bottle and a cotton pad or tissue to catch any excess product. Open the Faces Canada Nail Serum and remove the applicator carefully before use. Dispense 2 drops onto the center of each nail plate and 1 drop onto the adjacent cuticle. Use your fingertip to spread the serum evenly over the entire nail surface and under the free edge. Massage the nail and cuticle for about 30 seconds using gentle clockwise motions to aid absorption. Repeat this process for all nails once in the morning and once at night if desired. After application, allow the serum to absorb into nails and cuticles for at least 5 minutes. Avoid washing hands or applying lotions immediately to let the active ingredients penetrate. For best results, maintain a routine and use the serum consistently for several weeks to see stronger, shinier nails. Store the bottle upright at room temperature away from direct sunlight and high heat. If irritation occurs, stop use and consult a dermatologist before resuming the treatment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.